Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about, and that's the Gigabyte A520I AC motherboard. If you're in the market for the best AM4 ITX motherboard, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, performance, and everything you need to know about this compact powerhouse. Let's start by talking about why the Gigabyte A520I AC is the best AM4 ITX motherboard available right now. This motherboard is designed for those who want to build a small, yet powerful system. Its Mini-ITX form factor means it's incredibly compact, making it ideal for small PC cases and HTPCs. Now, let's talk about compatibility. The A520I AC supports 3rd General AMD Ryzen processors, including the latest Ryzen 5000 series. That means you can get the latest and greatest AMD CPU for your build. It supports DDR4 memory, giving you the flexibility to choose the RAM that suits your needs. And if you're into overclocking, you can tweak your RAM for optimal performance. Connectivity is key when it comes to motherboards, and this one doesn't disappoint. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It features Intel dual-band AC Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, ensuring a stable and fast wireless connection for your PC. Plus, it comes with an ultra-durable antenna. For wired connections, it's equipped with a blazing fast 1 GB LAN, so you won't have to worry about network lag. With a PCIe 3.0 x 4M.2 slot and support for NVMe SSDs, you can enjoy lightning-fast storage speeds. In conclusion, the Gigabyte A520I AC is undeniably the best AM4 ITX motherboard on the market. It's compact, powerful, and offers excellent connectivity options. Whether you're building a small gaming rig or a multimedia powerhouse, this motherboard has got you covered. So, if you're looking to build a compact yet high-performance PC, be sure to check out the Gigabyte A520I AC motherboard. It's a fantastic choice for any ITX build. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.